Hey guys, it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. Thank y'all so much for dropping in on this video. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate it. Oops, sorry I knocked y'all with my, I'm wearing a baseball cap today because my hair is just a fright. And I had to leave the house this morning. And it's Sunday. And if y'all don't know, I don't usually people very well, so I try to avoid weekend crowds. No, it's all good. I just it wasn't even about any fun stuff. We'll get into that in a minute. Let me tell you why I'm here. This is Happy Mail from my friend Meredith at Pop Vintage Home. And it was a surprise. Like, I had no idea. Let's get into this. I know I kind of went off there a little bit, but thank you guys for being patient with me. I just want I want to see all this stuff. And this is so, oh my gosh. Y'all, let me see this real quick. Look at this card. It's a current. It's a current. Oh, ever since I heard you mention weather journals, I've been collecting items for you. People! Oh my God, I think I mentioned that one time. Yes, and I am collecting for weather journals. And this is going to be the journal. Yes. Isn't that fun? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see what she sent Meredith. Thank you so much, Meredith. These are awesome. Is that what these are? Oh, y'all. I have never seen any of these. So, oh my gosh, you know what we can do with these? A bunch. Ooh, Meredith, you have got my creative juices flowing now, girl. Thank you. And the cards. I'm telling y'all, if you don't follow Meredith is a fairly new channel, okay? Please, if you love to watch haul videos, Meredith in her area, she gets some of the coolest ephemera and things at estate sales. Oh my God. Oh, go follow Meredith. Stop this video right now. Just stop it. Go click in the description. I'm going to have it in the description down here. Just click her link to her channel and just hit subscribe. Just do it. You won't regret it. And she's making some really cool journals. And Meredith, unlike me, she actually journals. Yeah, she actually does. And she made one for her husband. Y'all got to go see the ephemera she made for that one. That masculine journal that she made, oh my God, I'm gonna put the link to that particular video in there too. Go watch that because that was unique and I loved it. This is super duper cool. Look at that. That must be the name of the gladiola, huh? Old Copper. That's super, Meredith. Look at this. Oh, these are book authors. Oh, I love this. Thank you. That is so unique. Yeah, look, Odie Wright. That's got to be the name of the flower. That is spectacular. Oh, wow. These are going to be perfect. Perfect for a garden journal. Perfect. Thank you. Oh, this is so fun. Wow, that's cool. Thank you. And these are just lovely. Look how beautiful. I'm sorry I keep hitting you guys. Sorry. Look how beautiful. 1974. Oh. Y'all know, did y'all know I'm working on a winter journal? Have y'all seen that video yet? Well, did I do a video or just, maybe I just did a community post. I think I just did a community post. I'm gonna do a video on these. These are my winter journals. I've been working on them in the background. I'll try to do a video soon so you can see. I keep bumping y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna have to take this hat off. But these are my winter themed journals this year, and this would be perfect. I could get 2 tags out of that too. Oh, Meredith. That is so, see, it's just, I love it when a plan comes together. And a purple zipper. Love it. I love the packaging. Look at these people. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you guys are new to junk journaling, welcome. Welcome to a craft that can change your life, because it did for me. But the beauty of everything that you start to see differently is what's so amazing to me. Oh my gosh. Look at this wallpaper, y'all. This is part of the stuff that Meredith gets when she does her hauls. This is vintage wallpaper. I've never found vintage, well, I found vintage shelf liner in the wild here, but never vintage wallpaper. Now, I have wallpaper, but they're newish. Oh my God, this is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm going to sit here this afternoon, Meredith, and make, oh yes. I am going to make ephemera. That's happening this afternoon. And after the morning I've had, oh, we don't even want to get into my tire situation, because this is what is important. This strong wind. These visuals, whatever book this is, these visuals are fantastic. I love them. I cannot wait to make look at this. Oh, yeah, but I'm going to have to use that. I may have to copy this. That's cute. I may have to scan that one. Oh, and look what she did. She gets these ads for Louisiana and she sends them to me. And I'm going to have a Louisiana journal coming up too, y'all. I'm probably going to have more than one. Because I have a few covers for that. This is awesome. Look at these. Oh, the raindrops splash. Man, this would be a whole cool page tuck. And then use this. Oh, that's so cool. Look at this, one cold day. I could use this in my winter journal right now. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I may have to scan that and use it in my winter journal now. Y'all, look at this. Look, this one too. The snow falls down and covers the ground. And where is the boy who is walking? That's cute. Oh, look at this. A Dick and Jane moment. Oh, I could make one of those cabinet cards with that. Not a TV card with that. Look at this. Oh, and y'all, we had some bad weather come through last night. Now, not as bad as Texas. I hope my Texas peeps out there are good. Got a lot of friends in Texas now. I really hope y'all are doing okay. I mean, Katy got hit pretty good, and Port Arthur and Beaumont area, that whole, oh my gosh. They got hit pretty hard. This is super duper cool. Oh, look at that. The relative humidity. These are super. A windy day. These are fantastic. Meredith. These are fantastic. I love this. This looks just like spring and something. This is beautiful, actually. This is beautiful. Meredith. I sure hope that, Meredith, I'm talking to you. I just sure hope that whatever time and effort and energy and money that you put into this, that it returns to you at least 100 times over. I truly mean that. This is so thoughtful. So I do hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I had opening this Happy Mail from my friend Meredith at Pop Vintage Home. Thanks, guys, and we'll chat soon. Bye.